Hello everyone, I am Pranit and welcome back to my YouTube channel Pranit eLearnings. This is another basic video of Arduino tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to program the Arduino using the Arduino IDE software. Before beginning with the video, let's see the agenda of the video. Void setup and void loop, knowing the difference, some basic functions to declare the pins on the Arduino, using a delay function to blink the LED, using multiple LEDs to do sequential blinking. Now let's see void setup. It says put your setup code here to run once. In the void setup, you have to tell the software that which pin of the Arduino is connected to what pin of the external device. It means you have to initialize that it should be input or output and at what level, that is high or low. Now let's see what is void loop. It says put your main code here to run repeatedly. The pin you define in the setup are only executed once, but the loop will run your program many a times as per given requirement by giving a proper delay and other commands. So guys, this was all about void loop and void setup. Now let's see how to use this void setup and void loop to actually program your hardware, that is Arduino. So guys, whenever you open the Arduino IDE, you will see the void setup and void loop. So before starting the programming with hardware, let's see the circuit diagram. The circuit diagram is quite simple. There is an Arduino Nano with 3 resistors and 3 LEDs. Every anode of each LED is connected to the digital pin of the Arduino. That is first LED to the third digital pin of the Arduino, second pin to the fifth digital pin of the Arduino, third pin to the sixth digital pin of the Arduino. And you can observe that all the cathodes of every LED is commonly grounded through a resistor. The resistor is nothing but a current limiting resistor, and the value of the resistor can be between 230 to 1 kilo ohms. So now this is our Arduino IDE. So here you can see void setup and void loop. So now let's take the tools. I am using Arduino Nano board. I have selected your Arduino Nano, and again going to tools, I will select a processor as old bootloader at Mega 328P. Keep in mind, whenever you are using Arduino Nano, you should select the processor as Atmega 328 old bootloader. You can see here guys, there is no port showing in the software. So the first I have to do is, I have to connect the Arduino with my laptop, or if you are using a computer, then you have to connect it to your computer. The first thing you have to do is, you have to connect the USB to the port of your laptop or your computer. Then you should connect it to your Arduino Nano. You should see that the power LED should be on. If it's on, then your Arduino is working. If it's not, then check your USB port of your laptop or change the USB port. Okay. So guys, this is the Arduino IDE software. So after you connect your Arduino Nano or your Arduino board to your computer, you should go to the tools and verify by seeing the port is connected to the USB port of your laptop or computer. Before writing your code, you should first go to the file and save the code. I have already saved my code. Now first I do is, I want to show you how to declare the pin as output. So the simple command is, I will just write pin and capital MOD mode, and I will write it as 3, as a LED is output, so I will just in a capital letters I'll put it as output. After round bracket, I will give a semicolon, and I want to keep that LED on, so I will write digital write, as the pins we are using is digital, so we'll write digital write and round bracket, and the third is the digital pin, and I will set it to a high level and again semicolon. Now what I did is, I have set the third digital pin high, that means the LED will be on. So what I do is, next I just copy this and paste, and once again paste. Now what I simply do is, I will just change the pin number from 3 to 5, and this from 3 to 6, and this also from 3 to 6. Now you will see that I have declared all the digital pins, that is 3, 5 and 6 as output, and made them to a high, that is logic level 5. Now let's check the output by uploading this. Just click this arrow button, that is upload, You can see it's compiling sketch, it's uploading and done uploading. Now let's check the output. As you can see, all the LEDs are on by as I have written in the code. Now let's see the another example. Now in this example we will see that we will be keeping all the LEDs on, but at the same time we will blink the third LED which is connected to the third digital pin of the Arduino. So what I do is it's a simple command, digital write, and I will set the 3, high, giving a semicolon. Now I will give you a delay of 1 second, that is 1000 millisecond. You have to give the delay in millisecond, that is if you want your delay of 1 second then you have to write 1000 milliseconds. If you want the delay for half second then you have to write 500 millisecond, giving a semicolon. Then after 1 second I want to turn my LED off, that is low, so I will once again write digital write and giving a round bracket I will just give 3, low, and I want to run my loop repeatedly, so once again I will give a delay of 1000 milliseconds. So this will run our loop repeatedly and simultaneously. By giving a semicolon, our loop is completed. Now let's just upload the code and see the output. It's uploading and done uploading. Now let's check the output. You can see this type of output is little bit different. I have set all the pins high, but only the LED connected to digital third pin of the Arduino is only blinking. So we just saw that LED 3 was, that is the LED which was connected to the third digital pin of the Arduino, that was blinking. Now what if we want to blink all the LEDs? This is also simple. We will just copy this digital write 3, high command and I will just paste it, and what I do is I will just change the pin number from 3 to 5 and this also 3 to 6. Now after 1 second I will turn off all the LEDs, so I will just copy this digital write 3, low command and I will write and I will paste it, and I will change the pin number from 3 to 5 and 3 to 6. This loop will do is that it will turn all the LEDs on for just 1 second and off all the LEDs for 1 second, and this loop will be repeating. Now let's upload the code. It's done uploading. Now let's check the output. As typed in the code, you can see that all the LEDs are blinking. Now we will take a last example. In this we will be turning all the LEDs on and off sequentially. This is also easy. We have to just do is we have to give the delay after every digital write, whether it is digital write or digital low. So I will copy this delay command and I will paste after every digital write or digital low. Now let's just see what happens when we upload the code. You will see that all the LEDs are turning on and off sequentially. Done uploading. Now let's check the output. This output is also different. You can see all the LEDs are sequentially turning on and off. So guys, you can also edit your code and make something different. You can also blink the LEDs and turn it on and off.